Hi guys, Angela here and welcome back to my channel. Today's painting will be on a square canvas again, and what I'm going to try to do is I want to have pearl cells all around, and in the middle I'll do a cloud. So, and the colors that I'm going to use are bright colors, like fall colors. I'm not going to use really dark colors. I'm going to try to paint with fall colors like yellows and browns and reds. So we'll see how that turns out. So and obviously we'll have a cloud in the middle and pearls, white pearls, and on the sides. So we'll see how that works, and I will show you my last painting, how it turned out. And I have also put it on YouTube, so you can watch it after you finish watching this one. This is the painting that I just finished painting, and I put it on YouTube. So go check it out. I started out wanting to make a do the clouds, and then I guess I had put a lot of floral in my painting, so it's the clouds. I put a lot of floral and the satin enamels together, and then the cloud just took over. And when I went to dry it, when I let it dry, it just morphed, and I mean, I guess it looks okay, and I like it. It's not bad. I mean, it's got a big black hole. I wanted it to be round, but it morphed itself to create whatever. This is what it created. So I like it's on 14 by 14, and I am going to varnish it and put it on Facebook or Etsy. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it yet, but it will be in one of those stores. Now I'll take you to my painting station and show you what I'm doing. See you there, and thank you for being here. Thank you for visiting. As you guys can see on my channel that we are ticking along, we are gaining momentum, and yeah, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for subscribing to my channel, liking, commenting. I've been getting a lot of comments from a lot of people, so, and I try to and questions as well. So come with me, we'll start painting. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Like, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye.